turn on the bike and we'll watch the power sequence. Comes up with the description and the versions. And in this case, the bike is going to go directly into terminal mode. If we wanted to check the protocol it's using, we're going to back out. This is the enter key. It's like a go, execute. These are options. So from the terminal, we're going to go down to system parameter, enter. We're going to go down to settings, enter. RS-232 protocol. Mine's in Lode protocol. If I were to change it, I could go to Schiller or Lode 38K4. I hit yes to set that, and I hold the enter key down, you'll see it cycle through. Okay, there you go. To terminal mode, just enter. Then you'll see that as terminal mode. To get out of terminal mode, press it again. To go down into other modes and other selections, just select down. System parameter again, down to settings. Default start menu. That's where you'll tell it to either start up in terminal, main menu, analog, manual, or terminal. On this case, I'm selecting terminal. It says yes. Hold this. Cycles back to the top. Terminal. Next time you power up the bike, it'll go directly into terminal. That's how you check the protocols and default start menu.